What's up guys? Today I got my 2012 Hyundai Accent. Bought it a few days ago. Came with a bad bearing, so I will be replacing that today. And also adding a new wheel hub on it. Bought the parts online from partscape.com for around 50 bucks. Came with the wheel hub, lock ring, the nut, and the wheel bearing. The wheel bearing around here on AutoZone and O'Reilly costs around 25 bucks, and the wheel hub for around 70 bucks. So it's pretty expensive, well, for me, and so I bought it online. I'll leave the link in the description so y'all can check it out if y'all want. So right now my dad's helping me jack up the car. Alright guys, got the car I jacked up now. Got the towers underneath, got the brakes in the back tires. Now we'll be checking which of the two wheels is the one with the bad bearing real quick. So I'll catch it right now. Alright guys, so we figured out which of the two wheels is the one with the bad bearing. We recently tried the wheel method, wiggling it back and forth, but we had no luck with that, so we had to remove it and use this hose by putting it close to the bearing and listening with the other end to see which one's the one with the loudest. So someone would get in the car, turn it on and put it on drive, while the other person listens to it, and the driver's side is the one with the loudest bearing, so we're gonna start disassembling that one and try to replace it.
Atencia. Está bien blandito. Ahora, ya está apretado eso. que bote. Está bien, digo, eso porque mira.
No quiere salir.
Yo digo, o sea que está, digo, sí está metido, digo, sí entra el alambre alrededor. Digo.